In today's video, we will try to learn how to create ledger-wise budget. For this, we took an example, so you can check the example in our description link. For this, we will made a voucher entry of cash withdraw from bank of rupees 1 lakh. For this, get rid of tally, then go with vouchers, then press F4 for contra entry. Here you can see the contra entry, then press select SBI for credit, and the amount will be 1 lakh because we want to withdraw 1 lakh rupees. Then the debit will be cash. It will automatically 1 lakh. If you want to put narration, then you put here, or otherwise accept yes. Press enter. So the basic journal entry is completed. Now we will try to create ledgers as mentioned in our question or our example. For this, come here in the gateway of tally, then go with chart of accounts, then go with ledgers, then press Alt H for ledgers, multi-create, then select multi-create or multi-masters. You can see the multi-creation window is open. Now under group will be all item. The first one I want to create, which is carriage inward. Carriage inward. It will be under direct expenses. So we will select direct expenses. We will not put any opening balance here. And then I want to create the next one, which is telephone bill. Telephone bill. It will be under indirect expenses. Indirect expenses, no opening balance. Then there is stationery. Stationery. It will also be under indirect expenses and no opening balance for this. Then press enter, accept yes. The ledger creation is completed. In our next step, we will create budget of ledgers with balances. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with create, then go with budget, then write the name of the budget as our question, like budget for November. We use November for short form. November 2024 to January 2025. Under will be primary, and here we have to put the date, which is 1st November will be 11 and 2024. Press enter. Then the next one is 31st January 2025. Then the groups will be no, because we want to make budget under ledgers. So we'll make the ledger yes. So made it yes. A window will automatically open, which is named ledger budgets under budget November 24 to January 2025. So this window is open. Now we will put carriage inward from the list of ledger. For seeing the list of ledger, press spacebar and then select carriage inward. Press enter. On closing balance, type of ledger will be on closing balance, and the amount will be 35,000 as mentioned in our example. So press enter. Carriage inward. Then we will create another one, which is telephone bill. On closing balance, the amount will be 15,000. Then the stationery. On closing balance, the amount will be 5,000. All the amounts are mentioned in our example. You can check it out. So press enter. Press enter to accept. Press enter. Accept. Yes. So our create budget, our step of create budget budget of ledgers with balances is completed. In our next video we will learn the next step of this budgeting, which is pass accounting vouchers from November to January, and we will view the budget. So thank you for watching.